Hello YouTube, I'm Levi Hunter, and today I was gonna go ahead and show you guys my pet turtles. And here is the first tank. So this is a 40-gallon tank, and it has a Orwachi map turtle. He's over there, he's chilling. But in this tank I also have some rosy red minnows, as well as an albino koi catfish there in the back. And I know minnows aren't the best thing for turtles because I believe they're high in thiamate, but my map turtle doesn't really bother them, so it's been working out. So in this 40-gallon tank, I definitely have enough filtration. This is rated for a 40-gallon tank. And this is rated for a 60-gallon tank. So overall, I have 100 pretty much gallons rated filtration in here. And then I got the basking dock with the UVA and UVB bulbs. Alright, and that's where my map turtles tank. That's how my map turtles tank looks like. So this is my 20-gallon Hatchling turtle tank. I use it for my baby southern painted turtle. It's a 20-gallon, and if you notice here the hard watermarks, that is not for me. I've tried my best to scrub it, but I think I'll need like some sort of chemical to do it. But I mean, the water only is up to here, so I don't really need to get rid of it right now. It's not doing anything to the turtle, it's just a hard watermark. But I got it from my sister when she had fish, and I guess that got built up after a while. But for my painted turtle, it's doing fine. And you can see her there in the back. There she is, just chilling, doing her thing. But on this tank, it's not. I didn't nearly decorate it as much because, well, one, I'm not 100% sure what my plans are with this tank, but I have a little bit of decorations. Got a little ship, some rocks. She really likes the plants back here. She likes to hide in them, and then she can climb on the internal filter for her UVB and UVA. But yeah, that's pretty much my southern painted turtle tank. And now I guess I'll just show you guys the turtles up close. So this is my first turtle, and whenever I decided to buy turtles, I went online and I got one, or I actually was looking around. What I wanted was a Red Ear Slider, but the more research I did, the more I realized how big they'd get. Even though now, I mean, that wouldn't have really mattered. But I looked on, I think it's My Turtle Store, and I'm not recommending them because I actually have now had an issue with them. I don't want to go too into it. Don't want to shake him up too much. You don't want to handle these guys too much, but I'm just going to go ahead and give you a good look of him. Yeah. So he is an Orwachi map turtle, I believe. The place I got him never exactly told me what type. It just said map turtle. But I saw him there and I saw what he looked like. I'm like, oh, that's really cool. Here, show you the bottom of the shell. I really want to be careful because you do not want to drop them. And if you look at the bottom, they kind of have this topography look on them. That's where they get the term map turtle. They can also be called a sawback turtle by the little ridges on the back of their shell. But I got a flip-flop as my first turtle, and when I got him well. He was healthy and he ate immediately. He's a little skittish, like even compared to my my painted turtle. A lot more skittish than me. He's not getting out of my hand, but I still love him. He's cool. And he should be a male, so he should only get about 5 inches. So he doesn't have, probably has maybe about, he'll probably get twice this big. Unless he's a female, then he'll get a lot bigger than this. And it also means the store gave me the wrong gender for what I specifically asked for. But from what my turtle store, something happened, and I don't want to go too into it, but I'm not going to recommend them. I would not go to them. They've given me some issues, and they're not responding to me about an issue. But I wouldn't be shocked if they gave me the wrong gender. But this is Flip Flop the turtle, the Orwachi map turtle. Alright, here you go. go? Oh, there you are. Now for my second turtle, I have a southern painted turtle. And there are 4 different types of painted turtle. There is the Midland, the Eastern, the Southern, and then the Midland, Eastern, Southern, and Western. Those are the 4. And the Southern is actually the only one that's considered its own clade, or its own subspecies. All the rest are in the same subspecies. The reason I got a Southern painted turtle is because they are the smallest, and they also, if you can see, have like this stripe going down it. And this is what she looks like if they gave me the right gender. I got her from the same place I got Flip Flop, my turtle store. Don't get them. You might have a dead turtle show up, and then they might not respond to you when you tell them that their turtle that they shipped you was dead. So that's an issue. Still trying to get through it. I wouldn't recommend them. So the reason why I went online is because I wanted hatchling turtles, or baby turtles, because I thought it would be cool to see them grow up. In most places, if you're going to go to like a store, they have a 4-inch rule. I'm not quite sure why online there isn't a 4-inch rule, but it does. There's a lot of websites that will sell you turtles that are not 4 inches, so that's why I went there. And so she is a female. Same thing, they gave me the right gender, who knows. If she's a female, she'll go about 7 inches. So that's actually on the smaller side when it comes to female turtles. She's a male, she'll be about as big as a map turtle, which is about 5 inches. But I'll give you one more look at her real quick, and then I'll put her in her tank, and not be messed with the rest of the day. I'll give them both some treats to, make it up to them, because I'm sure they're not having the happiest of time. But yeah. And her name is McQueen, like Lightning McQueen from Cars. When you put a turtle back in their tank, you might want to put them like on. Just kind of in the corner there. Well, she seems to really like that corner right now. But you might want to put them out of the water so they can get a breath, because they'll know how much they need. Like how big of a breath they'll need before they go under. She's kind of stressing me out, but I'll let her do her thing, I guess. Alright, but those are my turtles, and I hope you enjoyed the video.